In this video, we will generate the dataset and trend line of CHIDIST, 1 minus CHIDIST, and GAMMADIST. In this, GAMMADIST will be the cumulative distribution function because the last argument is 1. And CHIDIST are related to GAMMADIST provided that alpha is degree of freedom over 2 and scale beta equals 2. So our degree of freedom will be data validation of the list of items from 1 to 10. And our alpha will be degree of freedom divided by 2. So we have 4. So for degree of freedom of 4, alpha equals 2. Now we generate the gamma dist. So array formula, gamma dist of the x values where alpha equals degree of freedom over 2 and beta is permanently 2, and because we're only generating the cumulative distribution, the last argument is 1. So here we have the gamma dist trend. This is the trend line of the gamma dist. Next we generate the 1 minus chi dist. To do that, we have to generate the chi dist. So our array formula, chi dist of the x values, comma, and the degree of freedom. So in blue, you find the chi-dist. Next, we generate the 1 minus chi-dist. This is array formula. 1 minus chi-dist. So here you have the in red as 1 minus chi-dist. And these values are exactly the same. They match to each other because 1 minus chi-dist equals gamma dist provided that alpha is the degree of freedom over 2 and beta equals 2. We can change our degree of freedom to 6. So we have these values. Let's verify if what we're doing is correct. So from the example in Google Sheets, this is the GAMMADIST, and here's an example. 12.3, that's the value for x. Copy. That's 12.3. We'll change that to 12.3. And degree of freedom is 5. So degree of freedom is 5. So our chi-dist value is 0.0309004. So that's 0.03009004646. So that's 0.03090046464. It's a match. Let's try the chi-dist in Microsoft. So the chi-dist in Microsoft, the example here is 18.307. So our value for x is 18.307. Change that. And the degree of freedom is 10. So we change this to 10. Our value for chi-dist here is 0.05000006, and it's 0.0500000589. which is still the same 0.00.050000006 or 58. This completes the comparison of GAMMADIST and CHIDIST using array formula and data validation.